Happy Janmashtami to all! Welcome to another video of Cuisine Capture. In the occasion of Janmashtami, let's make Malpua together.
Black pepper and fennel seeds, the most important ingredients for perfect Malpua. Boil the milk until the quantity became half. With this same quantity, you can make approximately 10 to 12 pieces of Malpua. You can skip Rabdi, but it will add an extra emotion to the Malpua. Add fennel seeds to Malpua's Rabdi for authentic flavor. And here, the Rabdi is ready. Sugar syrup should be single thin stream consistency. Mix maida and rava or suji bit by bit. Do not pour the entire quantity together. This batter should be thick but poured in consistency. If your batter spread in oil, then don't worry. Mix little maida into it and you will get this round texture. Suji or rava will make the edges crunchy and brown. Let's have a bite now. It's yum.
Like other videos, I hope you will appreciate this video as well. So please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching Cuisine Capture.